Still evaluating collaborative robot welding only by robot specs? Cycle time, tooling, vision, and recovery logic decide the real result. 3 issues appear repeatedly: unstable incoming parts, slow changeover, and devices that run alone but miss full-line takt time. The cell should be designed around the process chain. Sensing, gripping, motion, transport, safety, and control must be reviewed together. Focus on 3 technical points: fixture repeatability, safety monitoring, and quick deployment software package. These parameters must be checked against real tolerance and takt targets. Watch the action flow. Material enters, the system detects, the robot executes, and downstream equipment confirms every step. Do not judge only by peak speed. Check continuous running, recovery time, changeover, and maintenance access. It fits small batch welding, rework stations, flexible lines, and space-limited welding cells, but sites with poor incoming consistency or limited space need validation first. Automation is not equipment buying. It is turning process, takt time, and recovery logic into a stable system. Where is your bottleneck?